Welcome to 5 Heather Court. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a bonus room, beautiful laminate hardwood floors throughout, and a fenced backyard with screened patio is located on a cul-de-sac street in the Forest 2 neighborhood in the Harbison area of Irmo. Convenient to great dining and shopping in Harbison, just a few minutes away. I-26 and I-20, Irmo, as well as Lake Murray and Lexington, Richland District 5 schools. So you can see here the home sits on near the end of the cul-de-sac on the street. You have a single car wide driveway that widens open into a second pad to accommodate a second vehicle on the left side here. And the French doors that you see there lead into the bonus area. So you have a covered front porch here as well. And then a couple of steps up to the entry. So once inside, you notice the beautiful laminate hardwood flooring that is throughout everywhere in the home except for the, I believe, kitchen and kitchen baths, and also the bonus room as well. But you can see the living room and living area of the home in the front here have vaulted ceilings throughout. You have a large window here looking towards the front. So you can see a nice open floor plan. You have a coat closet there off the entry, and then the bedrooms are on that side. Utility closet there on the right, and then you have your dining area here, open to the living room. Second living area here also, or den off of the kitchen. You have vaulted ceilings in here as well. The ceiling fan, it's also a wood-burning fireplace, and the chair rail molding in here. You can see that's all open out to the sliding glass doors out to the covered back patio. It's also fully screened in as well. In the kitchen, you have granite countertops. You have light wood cabinets, black appliances. There's a dishwasher, smooth top electric range, and a refrigerator. Nice size high ceilings in here as well, and a pendant light over the kitchen sink. Then you have the bonus room here right off of the second den or living area. Vaulted ceilings in here as well. French doors that open out to the front, and chair rail molding is here as well as carpeting. We'll take a quick look out back so you can see the backyard. So you can see you have a ceiling fan out here as well, sort of outdoor carpeting, and that screened patio. Very nice to relax and overlook the backyard, which is fully fenced in and also does have a shed. I forgot to mention the neighborhood also has access to the Harbison Rec Center and the walking trails throughout the neighborhood as well. So we'll pass back through the living room and take a look at the bedrooms. There is one bedroom off the hall here, but we'll go back to the master first and take a look at that. All 3 bedrooms do have ceiling fans. The master looks out over the backyard. Floors continue into here. We'll just go to the opposite side so you can sort of get a look at the other side of the room. Nice size closet here as well. You have some shoe racks built into the bottom. Nice long shelf and hanging rod. You do have a bathroom with tile flooring, single vanity, high ceilings in here as well. And then on this side you do have a jetted tub and shower and tile in there. Right next door you have your second full bathroom, tile flooring in here as well, single vanity, and this one just has a standard tub and shower, similar to the last one, just lacking the jets. Then you do have second bedroom. This one's on the side of the house, the right side, if you're facing from the front. Closet in the back right corner there. Laundry closet as well, with full-size washer and dryer connections. You can see that flooring continues, and there you have several shelves above, and your full-size washer and dryer connections there. And then last but not least, our final bedroom, the third one. This one's a bit larger than the middle bedroom, but also again with a ceiling fan and a window looking out towards the front of the home. And then you have a closet here kind of tucked behind the door. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, this is 5 Heather Court in Irmo. Great location. Convenient to quite a lot. You can find out more information on this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.